Mark, how do you determine a job or a business for someone? What sort of things do you consider when you help them create or determine what it is that they want to do and the skills that they have? How do you sort of determine that, and then how do you create that business plan?
Actually, it is a long journey we take with a person. Sometimes we meet people who have a craft or a skill, but they do not have the way to start their own business or a private project. This dream is also a very, very distant dream for them. In truth, it is a very long journey of caring for the person and hearing their story. And we learn what experiences and fields they have worked in throughout their lives, and we are able to help that person by relying on the experience they have in a specific field, so that we can bring that idea to light and turn it into a project idea for them that generates a steady income. In fact, we conduct a large, not small feasibility study. We help the person with this, and I feel that this feasibility study is like real training for them, from the moment they think of the project idea until in the end, how much income this project will generate for them. We start with what the needs and the budget of this project are, so it can come to light. We also help him create or choose an environment for this work, and what is special about this environment that will be attractive for him to know how to do marketing for his business in it. There are many ideas and many things we are there for the person with. It is a very long journey until in the end, through this feasibility study, we reach the point where they know what product they will ultimately sell to the consumer and which segment they will be able to reach. And not only that, but also setting a target for how much he can earn to eventually achieve a steady, regular income for his life that can provide him with a good return to cover all living expenses, from food and drink to rent, and enable him to be responsible for himself. So it is a very long journey of feasibility studies that we go through with the person, relying on their professional experience throughout their life, until we finally reach the stage where they are building or setting up their project. And it doesn't stop there. After they receive their funding and succeed in purchasing their equipment, we follow up. Then there is ongoing follow-up from the team, where we check in with them periodically. How is the project doing? What challenges are they facing? What problems are they encountering? In fact, we have so many examples of businesses whose owners dreamed big, hoping one day to have a project of their own that would provide them with a steady income.